Selling your home, especially as a senior, isn't just about putting a for sale sign in the yard. It's about making sure that you're taken care of. The important legal details will protect you and your loved ones. Hey there, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and today I want to talk about some key legal considerations for seniors who are thinking of selling their home. Now, before I dive in, I want to remind you that this isn't meant to replace advice of your legal or financial professional. It's just a few things to think about as you prepare for such a significant life decision. First, it's a great time to review your will and estate plan. Selling your home can impact your estate, and it's crucial that all your documents reflect your current wishes, especially if you plan to distribute proceeds to family members. Sit down with an estate attorney to ensure everything is up to date and properly documented to avoid any confusion or disputes later on. Next, consider setting up a power of attorney. This allows someone you trust to handle the financial decisions like selling your home in case you're unable to do so yourself. It's much easier to have this in place before any emergencies arise so that you can rest easy knowing that your affairs are in good hands if needed. If you co-own your home, be sure to clarify who has the legal right to sell the property. Sometimes deeds can list multiple owners, or there might be complications like a deceased spouse still being on the deed. A lawyer can review your deed and help ensure a smooth selling process by sorting out any issues before they cause delays or problems. There are also important tax implications to consider. Depending on your financial situation, you might qualify for certain exemptions or deductions as a senior. It's always wise to consult with a legal or financial advisor to make sure you're prepared for any tax obligations, especially when it comes to capital gains taxes. Avoid any surprises when tax season rolls around by getting professional guidance early on. Lastly, I want to touch on something we don't like to think about, but it's important: scams. Unfortunately, seniors are often targeted by fraudsters looking to take advantage of people selling their homes. Having a trusted real estate attorney review any offers or contracts can help you avoid these dangers. Always verify who you're working with and never hesitate to ask for a legal review if something feels off. Selling your home is a big decision, and taking the time to address these legal steps will help you feel confident and protected throughout the process. Remember, working with professionals who understand your unique needs is key in making this transition as smooth as possible. If you have any questions or just want to chat more about your options, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty.